In this lecture, we are going to learn how to import and export files in Hypermesh. So to understand this, we need to understand about different file formats that are available in Hypermesh. Here in this PPT, you can see it is showing all the file formats that we generally use in Hypermesh. So basically, there are three categories. First category is Hypermesh native format, that is .hm file. That is the format of Hypermesh file. This file contains information about both geometry and mesh. Another file format is the solver deck file format. We know that there are multiple solvers available and Hypermesh support all of them. For this, each type of solver has its own specific type of file. So Hypermesh support all these files like Abacus, OptiStuck, Nastran, etc. So there are lots of file format. Hypermesh support all of them. In the solver deck, it contains the information about mesh, but it does not contain any information of geometry. Similarly, we have the CAD format. Generally, the input file that we use in Hypermesh is made from a specific CAD software like CATIA, NX, Creo, SolidWorks, etc. These CAD format you can import in Hypermesh, and also we have some neutral file format like IGS, Parasolid, etc. In the CAD format, it contains only the geometry but no mesh. So after this, once again we go back to Hypermesh. If you want to open up any file in Hypermesh, you need to go to this option of file. Here you can see open recent, then we have import, and similarly if you want to save any file, we have save file, save as, and similarly export. One more feature in this Hypermesh is that we can drag and drop the file. So now we go to our project folder. In your Hypermesh files, there is a folder that is import export file. When you open this folder, you will see there are multiple files. One file is Hypermesh file, then we have IGS, FEM, and another Hypermesh file. We need to open up all these files in Hypermesh. So let's try all these options. First, what I do, I will copy this path and Ctrl C. Now go to Hypermesh. Here go to File, go to Open. Now in the Open, you will see some option like if you want to open any HM file, CAD file or solver deck file. Let's say I want to open the HM file. So click on this. Now paste the location here, Ctrl V, enter. Now you can see it is showing the available files you can open. So let's say I will open up this first file, bumper mid 1, and open. Here you can see a file has been opened. If you go to the setting or the model tree of this file, go to this model tree. Here you can see two component it is showing. Component, and in bracket there is a 2. 2 means there are two component. If you want to expand the component, you can make right click and click on open. On the right side you can see another component dialog window will open. If you go to model once again, it contains all other information like element, geometry, node, etc. Now go to component. Here you can see it is showing two component. One is yellow color, one is blue color. So similarly here you can see center, this is the color, similarly mid 1. The first symbol it is showing for the geometry. I can turn off the geometry from here. Let's say I will turn off and turn off again. So now only mesh is highlighting. Similarly the second option it is showing for the mesh. So if I click on this, you can see the mesh is hidden. Similarly go to second option, and if I click here, now mesh is hidden. So I click on the surface only, then again surface only. Here you can see only surfaces are highlighting. Similarly I can also turn on the geometry here, similarly mesh. this mesh and this mesh. If you want to open up another file, then you can go to File, Open. If you want to merge the file or open any file merging this existing file, then you need to select this Import option. So now I will close this HM. So here click on New and don't save. The fast method we use is the drag and drop option. Here what I do, I will click on this part 1, here mid one, pick and drag it. And now here you can see another window is showing whether we want to open a new model or merge. So I will select a new model, file type is Hypermesh, OK. Now you can see similar model is opened. Now once again I will go to the folder. I will open up one more file here inside this. Let's say I will open one more file, that is bumper mid, and I want to open this file merging these two. So I will click on this and drag and drop. This time I will want to merge them. So select merge and OK. Now it will show another window. We need to take the default setting. We don't want to change them. Click import. Now you can see another component has been imported. Now you can see that is mid 2 component number 3. This component contains the information about mesh. Also there is a geometry. You can see ton of geometry here. Similarly mesh. Once again I will go to file. Now let's say I want to import a CAD file, only the CAD. So there is a IGS file. So once again I will pick and drag it. If you want to open a new, then click on new model. I want to merge them, so click on merge and OK. Again take the default setting, we don't want to change them, click import. And now you can see another surface has been imported. I will go to component. Now it will show component display. Here you can see this component, and if we rotate this, you can see one more surface, this yellow one. Okay. So this is a component 4, component 5. If I want to isolate them, select this, hold down the control key, select this and this. Now these two selected, make right click and click on isolate. Press escape. Now you can see here you will see only surface because we have imported the CAD file. There is no mesh. So if I hide the surface, you can see although mesh is showing here, but it doesn't contain any information of the mesh. So I will right click and show all. Another file I want to open is solver deck file. So here is a file that is .fem file, that is Hypermesh OptiStruct solver file. So pick and drag it, and I want to merge this. Click on OK. Now again take the default settings, import. It will show some warning. I will close this. And now with this FEM file here we can see a mesh that is showing here. If you go to this component, you will see the mesh. So this component, this one, okay, this component contains the mesh information. So in this way you can import multiple type of format of the file. In the similar way, if you want to save the file, go to file, then go to save as. I will click here as HM file. So here, let's say this is my bumper assembly file, bumper assembly, and click on save. If you go to files, here you can see bumper assembly file, it is showing. If you want to export only the CAD or the solver deck file, for this you need to go to file, go to export. Then in export, if you want only CAD, you can select CAD, solver deck. There are some more options that we cover them later. So I will click exit from here.